In this video, we're going to be doing an Invisalign smile makeover where we turn some stained, crowded teeth into a gorgeous, beautiful smile. We did the Invisalign, some teeth whitening, one veneer to get an awesome smile. I can't wait to show you. Here we go. Hey guys, this is Dr. Robert Passamano. I'm a board-certified orthodontist. Today we're going to be talking about this Invisalign smile makeover where we turn these crowded, stained teeth into a gorgeous smile. You can see this guy's smile. It is night and day. It is an amazing before and after. So let's dive a little deeper into how we did it. This patient presents wanting to improve his smile. He's getting married very soon, so my goal is to give him an awesome smile for that wedding day. He's got some upper and lower crowding. Those lower teeth are very difficult to clean because there's so much overlapping. You can see the teeth stains. He's got short crowns, especially that upper right crown. You can see that both those green lines, they're not the same. So when he smiles, you're seeing gum tissue, uneven edges. That's not aesthetic. So what we want to do is we want to improve the overall smile. So the plan is alignment of the teeth. We're going to intrude the upper right central incisor so it's level with the upper left one. We're going to do some stain removal. That's something that I do. Some teeth whitening. So we want to give you that awesome, vibrant smile. And then we're going to redo one crown, that upper right one. It's already a crown, and we're going to redo it to make it longer so it matches the upper left one. Here's the Invisalign simulation showing the teeth movement. You can see the upper right central incisor is moving upward. It is trying to align with the left central incisor, so that way when the crown is redone, the gum tissues are at the same height. Also, when this patient smiles, you can see that gummy tissue above that tooth. We don't want to see that. We want to see white teeth all the way through, so no gum tissue. That tooth's moving up. Here's the bottom. You can see that the teeth are hard to clean in this position, much nicer in this position right here. And here's the top view, as you can see. Let's go through the stages of the treatment. Before Invisalign, crowding, stains on the teeth. After Invisalign, teeth are aligned. The stains are mostly removed. The upper right central incisor has been intruded to the same level as the other incisor tooth. Then we start the teeth whitening at this point, and then we do the crown on this tooth, and then the final result looks amazing. You can see this patient did about 3 months of teeth whitening to get the teeth looking nice and vibrant. I love this result. He did a great job. He turned his yellow teeth into looking white teeth. This looks like he got all veneers, but he didn't. He just did some basic teeth whitening, and that's how he got a great smile. Let's review this patient's amazing smile makeover. We did 12 months of Invisalign treatment to correct the crowding and alignment of the teeth, followed by 3 months of teeth whitening. At that time, the patient went to the dentist for one crown. That's the upper right central incisor tooth. And that's how we got an amazing Invisalign smile. When you look at the before and the after, you would think this patient got all brand new teeth. No, he did not. He got to keep a lot of his natural teeth, and he just replaced the one crown on that front tooth. This is a great case to show what Invisalign can do. Thank you guys for watching the Invisalign smile makeover video. Hopefully you liked the Invisalign result. I loved it. I thought it looked great. His fiance loves it, and now they're ready to get married. His teeth look like he got all brand new teeth. He's got this great smile. It's healthy. They're mostly natural teeth. I love it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other Invisalign videos, and I'll see you on the next one.